let's talk about this overnight millionaire thing. So decided to join. Got my first sale. $36. I was like, what? I heard a ching ching from my phone. I'm like, what in the world? What is that? Let me go check and see, right? You know, because my phone don't make that noise. Anyway, so it's like your first sale. Hi, you won 36. I mean, you've earned $36. Okay. All right, easy. Wesley says, let's go. Get yourself excited. Da 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 da. Meditate. Oh, yeah, meditate. So I'm like, okay, let me go meditate. Boom, there's my answer. Put my answer into effect. Then my phone starts ching-chinging again. Then it goes dead again. Go back to see what Wesley and Ariel are talking about. And you know, Wesley's still talking about meditate. Okay, so you want me to meditate every day. So I'm going to meditate every day. You know, because it seems like when I meditate, I get my answer and my phone makes the ching-ching. Ooh. All I gotta say is let's go. You know, let's make this money. Let's get it. You know, I gotta get it. I like it. You know, it's worth a try for everybody. I tried it and I'm getting it.
Sonia, talk to the people. Tell them why you're wearing those glasses.
Because I'm fly.
Because you're fly.
I'm fly.
Fly. So, Pat, talk to the people. Share some things with them as well. This is Parents Against Predators here.
I want to give a shout out to Learning Foundation.
Thank you so much.
He do so much, and you know,
Yes,
he don't look for nothing bad. He got all the money. I ain't got the money.
You got the money too.
I ain't got all the money. He got
The
money.
money.
God got me. He say my financial blessing is on the way, bro.
There you go. It's on the way.
In a couple of months.
That's it. Much love, brothers. All praises to the Most High. God is